Hello everyone, and yes, you guessed it, we have an unboxing to do. This is a Huacan Official Store mini haul, and before we get started, we're going to pause for this brief intro and we'll be right back. Hi everyone, this is Janae and you're watching the review. And tonight we have a mini haul from Huacan Official Store. So by saying that, let's get started. Get my scissors here. I'm so excited to open this because two of these pictures are custom pictures, and it took 6 weeks to get here, but I'll go over the details after I get them opened. But, oh boy. Cut here. It's always so exciting to get new paintings. Unfortunately, these boxes look like they've seen better days. Yeah, they've seen better days. Well, oh well. Hopefully everything inside is okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to use this box again. It's looking pretty bad. Alright, like I said, this is from Huacan Official Store. Typical Huacan box. Misplaced my scissors. Oh, there they are. There are 4 pictures in here. So 2 of them are customs and one is a full square drill and the other one is a special shaped drill. So let's see what we pull out here. I'm trying to be very careful because this box here does not look like it's faring well. It's definitely seen better days. So let's get that open. So I'm going to actually look through this box since it seems to be the most damaged. This box seems to have fared pretty well through the process. So I'm just going to let you know that I'm going to be taking out one picture at a time and doing the unboxings separately. So this is actually Huacan Official Store Part 1. This is a special shaped wolf drill. It's a 40 by 50. I ordered it on March 28th during the AliExpress anniversary sale. It left the store on April 2nd and I received it on May 8th. 6 weeks it took, but that's okay. I'm willing to wait. I can be patient when I want to be, sort of. So let's take a look at the canvas first. I keep telling my husband I don't have a big enough table. I want a bigger table. And by the way, this is a beautiful picture I got. It's a custom picture from Evermoment, if anyone's wondering. It's almost done. I'm almost done with it. This is actually a 60 by 70. It's taken me a while. And again, typical Huacan packaging. They've taped it, which is fine. So we're going to take the tape off. I really like doing the special drills. They are just amazing. Out of there. So it's out of the way. So here we go. Oh yeah, so here I'm just gonna let you guys see this as it unravels. So this is what I got. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I can't wait to do it. Came with a foam core. Definitely will keep that. So let's get this unraveled so we can actually take a look at it. Alright, so I'm just gonna hold it here just a little bit. Try to keep it from trying to snap back. Oh, I can't wait to do this. And the problem is I got like, I don't know, I believe I have three other special shaped diamonds paintings to do, so this will wait a little bit, but not too much. There we go. Nice. And so I have to say, I learned that trick from another YouTuber, and amazing. I just, so much easier to straighten out. In fact, I have a story for you guys. Eventually I will be making doing a video on my first diamond painting experience. Every time I unravel a canvas, it reminds me of my first experience, and I'll tell you, it is hilarious. But anyway, we'll save that for another day. Here we go. So it's a special drill wolf. I actually bought this for my husband. He doesn't know it yet. And here, oops, if I can get my camera to focus on it. There's the drill key. So I'm just turn it around here real quick. I love the eyes. The eyes are just bright green. Just beautiful. Can't wait to do this. So I'm going to turn it around. I like to look at the back of the canvas, and the reason why I like to look at it is usually if there's any major issues with a canvas, you're going to see it in the back as well as the front. So what I'm seeing right now is this canvas is pristine. It is beautiful, other than whatever this is right here. Oh, it's just dirt. It's a thinner canvas that I'm used to working on, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. So let's examine the drill field. I'm going to pull this back. Let's see. Well, I don't see any major issues. No, it's tacky. So that's good. Where's my ruler? Okay, so we're going to put this back down. Try to get it down where there's no air. You know what, I thought I liked the plastic clear sheet on my canvases, but I'm finding that they're just kind of a royal pain sometimes. To the side real quick. Pull it up. Yeah, the canvas looks really good. Really, really do like this picture. It's really nice. So basically what I'm going to eventually do once I'm done with the unboxing is I'm going to measure some parchment paper, and I'll put parchment paper on this instead of using the plastic protective sheet. I like to use that better. It doesn't seem to be as difficult to work with. And I also cut it in strips so that like a 10 by 10 strip, and then I put the strips on there. So all I have to do is just take the strip off, and it's easy peasy. So we're going to measure this really quick. I'm assuming that the measurement is from the frame that's accompanying the drill field. So let's do this. Centimeters. So if I go by the frame here, oops, there to there, definitely 50. And if we go here to the end of the frame here, it is definitely 40. So it is definitely true to size. Excellent. So I'm just very pleased with this. And Huacan has always been really good. I've never had any issues with Huacan. So here are the drills. And let's take a look at them. So you've got, looks like some reds. Really pretty reds. These look like they're more of an orangey red color. And you've got your yellows. And then there's the dark blue. A lighter blue. A green. And you've got, ooh, yes, I love the shine on these. These are your iridescent colored blues. And you've got these, I call them the disco balls. They kind of remind me of disco balls. And then a teardrop shape iridescent colors, really pretty. And then these are also iridescent and kind of an orange teardrop, really nice, really nice colors. I can't wait to start this. So there are your drills. So again, this came from the official Huacan store. It is a 40 by 40 special drill. I purchased it on March 28th. It left Huacan's official store on April 2nd, and it arrived here on May 8th. So I will definitely do a post review on this picture, and I'm looking forward to it. So if it is evening time for you, have an excellent evening. If it is an afternoon, have a wonderful afternoon. And if it's a morning time for you, have a pleasant morning. And we will talk to you again soon. Thank you for joining me and the review.